Alright, this is Scotty with Master Tool Repair. I'm going to give you some information today on pressure washer repair. It's basically simple to diagnose these units. They're gasoline powered. This is the pump. This is the gasoline engine. Same with this one, gasoline engine. The pump is located underneath them. This is a vertical mount. This is a horizontal mount. Both of them are the same. They're just a different configuration. To diagnose one of these, if you have a unit that won't run, you consider the engine and the pump separate units. If the engine won't run, then you have to do basic engine diagnosis. Normally, what we find on these is people store these units and the carburetors gum up with the ethanol fuel, and then the fuel won't get to the engine and it won't run. We take the carburetor off and clean it, and usually that eliminates the problem. On the pump, if the engine runs but you got no pressure from the pump or no water from the pump, you can let the water do the diagnosis for you. Hook the water to the inlet. If the water comes out the outlet, then you know that you've got water cycling through here. Start the engine up and see if you got pressure. If you do have pressure coming out of here, then you can hook your hose and your wand up and see if you have water coming through there. If you do not, then you probably have either a kink or a collapsed hose or a problem with the wand. The gun itself will stop up just from leaving water in it over a period of time. If water comes through with the engine running and you have no pressure, then you have to go to the pump, which means you're going to have to tear this down. That's better left to someone who knows how to service these. These are both basically the same. One is just a different configuration of the other one. That's basic repair diagnosis for you on pressure washers.